Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw Solana from Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have an account on Binance, and if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once there, you're dropped at the overview, which houses all of your crypto assets and the accounts on which they're stored. So now simply scroll to your spot, funding, or earning wallets, depending on where your crypto is. And as you can see here, I have my Solana on my spot. So simply click on the Solana, click on the withdrawal option, send via crypto network. Now, the address is shown and the network to match is also shown. You can get all of this information from your Trust Wallet app, seeing as I'm going to be withdrawing to my Trust Wallet. So minimize and open up the Trust Wallet mobile app. And once Trust Wallet is opened, simply scroll through and search for Solana. If you can't find it, use the search icon at the top of the screen. So SOL, Solana. Click on the Solana. This is the Solana coin. This is where I wish to receive my Solana. Click on the receive option, copy the address. And as you can see here, it says no memo required. So minimize, open up your Binance once more. And with Binance opened, paste the address there. The network is matched automatically. And as you can see, the minimum is 0.02. So we can actually send our Solana from our spot. So now all I need to do is simply hit the withdraw option, enter the necessary information, or simply click on confirm. And by doing this, my Solana can then be deposited in my Trust Wallet. And to confirm its arrival, all you need to do is simply reload the Trust Wallet app. And once you've reloaded, you'd find that your Solana has been deposited. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.